Changing the oil on a Toyota Camry 2014 is shockingly easy, and yet way too many people get overcharged for it. You're basically draining a fluid, twisting on a new filter, and refilling. That's it, but let's walk through it. Start by making sure the engine is warm, not hot, and park the car on level ground. This helps the oil drain more easily. Put the car in park, set the parking brake, and pop the hood. You'd be amazed how many skip this part. You'll need a 14mm wrench or socket, a new oil filter, look it up by your engine, 2.5 liter, 3.5 liter, and about 4 and 5 quarts of 0WD-20 synthetic oil. Don't skimp on oil quality. Good oil means longer engine life. Seriously, like 50,000 more miles. Slide under the car and locate the oil pan bolt. It's towards the back under the engine. Place an oil catch pan beneath it. Lefty-loosey with your wrench, the bolt might be on there tight, but once it's off, black gold pours out. Let it fully drain. Give it 5 to 10 minutes. During that time, go remove the oil filter. It's either facing down or sideways near the engine block, and it may still have hot oil in it. Be careful. This part can fool you if you rush. Wipe the filter contact surface with a clean rag to get the old gunk off. Then take your new filter, rub a dab of new oil on the rubber gasket. This helps form a tight seal, and screw it on. Hand tight is perfect, no tools here. Once the oil finishes draining, reinstall the drain bolt. Tighten it just enough, around 30 feet-pounds if you're using a torque wrench, but regular tight is fine. Just don't hulk it. Too tight and you strip threads, and then you've got a bigger problem. Pop the oil cap up top and pour in about 4.5 quarts using a funnel. Pause after 4 quarts and check the dipstick. You're aiming to have it right between the low and full marks. Seems small, but it makes all the difference later. Now, the engine hasn't circulated the oil yet, so go start it and let it idle for 2 to 3 minutes. Watch for leaks around the drain plug and filter area. Most people forget this step, which is like setting a trap for your future self. Turn the engine off and wait a few minutes. Recheck your dipstick. Top off if necessary. When it's exactly on full, you're officially done changing your oil. Congratulations, you just saved around $6,100 in labor charges. One pro tip I picked up from a mechanic in Portland who swears by it: keep a tiny notebook in your glove box. Write the mileage and date of your oil change. That's it. It keeps you honest, reminds you, and helps when you're selling. This whole job took me about 25 minutes the first time, and now I can do it in under 15. No crawling to some overpriced national chain. Just hands-on work that saves money and keeps your engine running clean. Worth every minute.